Take a ride in the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.